Hello everyone, Jordy Wilkinson here, sophomore at Brevard College. I'm an exercise science major and a education minor, and today I'm going to be presenting how to be a strength and conditioning coach and what it takes. The job description for a strength and conditioning coach is you focus on fitness and improving physical performance in competitive athletes. You want to get your athletes bigger, faster, and stronger, and you do this through putting them through strength training programs and anaerobic conditioning plans. Your job setting is any weight room on a school campus. So if I'm a coach at a college or high school or middle school or anything like that, I'm going to have my own weight room on that campus that my athletes train in. If I'm a private coach, I will have my own training facility, or I will be at a joint facility with other private trainers, and we will share that facility to train our athletes. And also, you can train at any gym or fitness center, anywhere where there's weights, and you can focus on your strength and conditioning plans. That's where you can go. The job duties are to come up with the exercise prescription for the athlete. You want to make this athlete bigger, faster, stronger, and healthier. You help with injury prevention, and you want to help with their mechanics in their sports. So if I'm coaching a basketball player, I want him to jump higher. We're going to work on his explosiveness, etc. And you also want to put them on a good nutrition plan so that what they're doing in the weight room is not being blown away by what they put into their body. Your clients and players. So if I'm coaching at a school, my players will be whatever sport I'm supposed to be coaching. So say if I'm a football strength and conditioning coach, I will be in charge of my football team and everything they do in the weight room and nutrition, etc. If I'm a private coach, I have my own athletes that come to me who pay me, and this can be anywhere from middle school to professionals. I mean, whatever your clientele is what you coach. So the more experienced you are, the better your clientele will be. Your job qualifications, you need at least a BA in exercise science or sports performance, but most places want you to have a master's degree. Lots of places require at least 1 to 2 years of experience in a training field. The more experienced you are, the more likely you will be hired. So most places want you to have internships and want you to know what you're talking about and to be ready to jump into your programs. You also need an NSCA certification. Sorry about that. That's required to be a strength and conditioning coach. If you want to coach at the college level, all colleges require at least 1 year of coaching experience, so you would have to do 1 year internship before you would get a job. The major organizations for strength and conditioning coaches are the NSCA, the National Strength and Conditioning Association, which that's that certification that you need to become a coach. The National Council on Strength and Fitness, National Council on Accreditation of Coaching Education. And Velocity Sports Performance is the top private training facility. They're all over the planet, and it's a very prestigious place to work. Your salary is based on the level you coach at and your experience. So you can make anywhere from 44 grand to 800 grand a year. Bill Doyle from Iowa is the highest paid strength and conditioning coach in the country, and he makes $800,000 a year. Private coaches can charge whatever they want for their sessions, so most places can charge anywhere from $20 to $200. It all depends on what they're putting you through and how much they feel like charging you. Big breakthroughs on strength and conditioning is in water training. It's been helping a lot with gaining speed and strength in your legs, and also helping with vertical leaps in basketball players. Resistance bands are really changing the game with strength and speed skills, and also like gaining that resistance against you to help with your explosiveness. This is a resistance band that I've been using lately. I've been putting these on my legs, working on my squats, doing side lunges with them, and they're really awesome. Resistance bands are really cheap and easy to get, so I really would recommend having resistance bands around. They're really good. CrossFit is becoming more popular in athletes because they're able to get that good sense of conditioning while able to gain strength and using weights as well. And these are my sources. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something today. And I'm here for questions if you have them. Have a good day.